You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, this expression in English that is pronounced as rage bait. It's usually when there's content, including on YouTube or social media, that is meant to enrage people, so make people react, so it gets better engagement, so people react and then it goes viral because a lot of people react to it. So this is rage bait. How to pronounce English pronunciation, rage bait. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.